Welcome! If you want to customize keyboard theme with your picture or photo on HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and go for the system and updates, select language and input, go for the Microsoft Swift keyboard and go for the themes. Right now we have to go for the custom and the right upper corner, then click to start, click to add the image, accept all the permissions. And as you can see, currently we don't have any images on the smartphone, so we have to go for our browser, and I think that I'm going to download something, maybe picture of Selena Gomez. Let's go for the images and we can take maybe this photo. So click, hold, tap to save the image, then just open background apps. Go back right here for your files, open it one more time. Let's go for the files, storage, download, browser. Okay, it's not here, so maybe it will be in the gallery. Okay, it's in the pictures, I think. Okay, here it is, right? No, come on. Pictures, browser. Okay, so if you download something from browser, you have to go for that. Okay, this one is not supported, so come on, what is wrong with this one? Okay, let's take maybe this one. Click, hold, tap to save image. Okay, it was saved. Go back to the gallery, add the image, go for the files, internal storage, pictures, browser, and then go for this one. Okay, and this one is cool, we can use it. So right now we can scale our picture and set the background darkness. So I will go for this one, click to done, and as you can see, here it is. So it's very easy to customize this theme. Then we have to click on the save on the right upper corner, and here we can check how it looks. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.